In this Instant Pot review, I'll include Instant Pot ideas from over 100 interviews with Instant Pot owners. We'll explore why Instant Pot is popular and try to answer the question, is Instant Pot worth it? I'll start with the positive responses I received, but be sure to stick with me to hear the potential negative responses as well as some of the more popular uses that they shared with me. First, let's look at what they said when I asked them what they thought you should know before you buy an Instant Pot. It seems everyone is buying an Instant Pot, and I wanted to find out what the attraction is. I have my own ideas, but for this video, I'll be sharing the results of interviews I had with over 100 Instant Pot owners. I hope this information will help you better decide if owning an Instant Pot is the right decision for you. If so, I have listed some Instant Pot Amazon links in the description that will help you compare the different models. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Thank you for helping to support this channel through your purchases. Why should you buy an Instant Pot? These are the responses that I received. There were multiple responses for some, and so I've just weeded this down to the most common answers for you. You can walk away from food that's cooking so you get other things done. Less cleanup. The inner pot and the lid can go in the dishwasher. You can cook frozen chicken breasts without having to thaw them. It's very versatile. If I had to have one cooking utensil, this would be it. It cuts cook times from several hours down to several minutes. The Instant Pot is just a pressure cooker, but a safe and pretty much foolproof one. Safer than the old school pressure cookers. Set it and forget it. Consistent results. Saute and pressure cook in the same pot. Pot-in-pot cooking. Hotel room cooking. It turns inexpensive food into really delicious food. It uses much less electricity. I can make my own yogurt and save tons of money over buying tubs of expensive Greek yogurt. Intensifies flavors and typically results in very tender meat. I can cook about a week's worth of meals in about 2 hours. I don't heat up my whole kitchen when using the Instant Pot like I do with the oven or crock pot. It's fun. It's almost like kitchen alchemy. It does not destroy the nutrients in your food as much as stovetop boiling. Like a crock pot, except for people who are worse at planning. I thought that was a funny one. Next, I asked what you should consider before buying an Instant Pot, and these were some of the responses that I received. There may be a potential for a steam burn from the steam release valve. Calling it Instant Pot was a mistake by the company. It causes way too much confusion. Yes, the literal cook time may be 5 to 10 minutes, but it's completely disingenuous to ignore pressure decompress times, which everyone seems to do, even people who write up recipes. Some things are much better and faster prepared via other methods. There are definitely things you don't want cooking in the Instant Pot. Anything that you need a crispy crust on, for example. I wouldn't tout that everything is faster in it because honestly, if you can do the meal on a stovetop in half hour, you won't save any time on the Instant Pot. It's not a substitute for a crock pot, but I really like it because it makes food fairly quickly. Food might spoil if you set the advanced timer for too far in the future. For this next section, I wanted to include some of the foods that I saw repeated over and over again through the interviews. I was surprised at some of these. I'm going to list them in reverse order. So starting with the 10th most popular one that I saw mentioned was steamed vegetables. Next came corn on the cob. Number 8 was ribs. Number 7, rice. And number 6, pasta. Then number 5 was meat, 4th was broth, 3rd yogurt, 2nd boiled eggs, and the number 1 food that was mentioned through all the interviews was beans. I was surprised at that. I'm sure some of these were probably a surprise for you as well. So let me know in the comments below if you have an Instant Pot or if you think you're going to buy one. If you decided that the Instant Pot isn't for you, what will you do instead? Will you do a stovetop pressure cooker? Will you do a slow cooker? A rice cooker, or just continue with the pots and pans that you're using on the stovetop. Thanks for watching and for supporting this channel by using the Amazon links in the description. If you want more Instant Pot videos like this one, or for recipe ideas, leave me a note in the comments and I'll see what I can do for you. And check out the other videos that I have on this channel. I'll see you in the next video.